Everybody, in this video we'll discuss what is REST parameter in JavaScript. I will discuss the definition and I will discuss the real world like where you can use this REST parameter concept in your real project. Okay, so let's start the definition. If somebody asks you what is REST operator, they may say REST operator, but the correct uh, like correct topic is REST parameter. It's not REST operator. Okay, so if somebody asks you what is REST parameter in JavaScript, the way you should answer is REST parameter in JavaScript is used with 3 dot syntax. It is used to uh, collect multiple value in a single array. It is used in function definitions. Okay, it is used uh, in in a place where you are doing destructuring of array or object and you're trying to extract some properties of object, but for others object you don't want to extract it, but you want to collect all other property in a single value. So there you can use the REST operator. I will go to one code editor and I will show you the practical examples. First of all, I will write what we are discussing. Okay, REST parameter, it's not REST operator. Now I told you two places where we use REST operator. First is in the function definition and the second one is in like the place where you do destructuring of array object. So first we'll discuss in the function definitions. So let's say I'm declaring one function. Let's name it as REST function, and here I will not write any logic inside this function. I will just console what we are getting through the parameters. Okay, so generally what we do is when function take parameter, we assign those by declaring variables at the top, right? Like if your function is taking 3 parameter, you assign a variable like a, b, c, or any name you decide. Okay, and then you inside the function you do the operation on these. This is the general way. And when you call the function, you pass the values. If your function is taking 3, you pass 3 values separated by comma. Okay, so this is the general way. But let's say your function is taking innumerous parameter. It may be dynamic, like you're getting through some API calls or from any logic, and you don't know how many numbers you will pass to this function. So in this scenario, to take all the parameters, we cannot assign any particular variable. So here you can use the 3 dot and you can decide one name. Let's say I'm calling it as REST. You can give any variable name. It's on you. And now let's console this what we are getting as a function parameters. If you run this code, where is run button? I will choose different editor. Let's copy the code. I will go to JS compiler. That is new for me. Okay, here I will paste the code. let's see what we get. If you see, all the parameter that we are passing while calling the function is coming in the array form. Okay, so when you use the rest parameter syntax, you collect all the argument in a array. Okay, so this is what rest operator is in function definition. If you pass multiple, no matter how many argument you pass, it will go and collect in the array, and you can perform any operation on those uh, parameters. Okay, this is the first place where you can use. Now the second place I mention is while destructuring any object or array. This time I am taking object. Okay, let's take some properties, let's say name, and let me take some more properties, age, and let's take some 5 properties in this object. Okay, next I can take hobbies, let's take traveling. Okay, what I can take next, skill, you can take skill, area of string, you can take JavaScript, React, Python, HTML. Okay, so I have an object which has 5 properties. Now you know the destructuring way of destructuring in JavaScript, right? So the way we do destructuring is we take a keyword to declare the variable. Now next we do is we use if you are destructuring object, you have to take curly braces, and you assign that object, the object that you declared, in the new one. Now in the curly braces, whatever properties you want to extract, you name it here, right? If I want to extract, or if I want to destructure name and age, I will write name separated by comma and then age. Now if you console name and age, you will get their values. You will get Rishi and you will get 22. Now this object is holding others properties also. So for that, if you don't want to destructure all properties, if you are lazy, you can just do 3 dot operator, and you can name it as anything. Like you just think of one name and use it. Here I have used dot and others. So all the properties which is not being destructured will get assigned in this variable others. Okay, now let's console what name, age and others is holding. Now if you see, name is Rishi, age is 22, and the res parameter is holding others key value which is not being destructured. It is holding company, hobby and skill. Okay, so this is what res operator is in JavaScript. I have explained two places where you can use. One place which is very common is at function definitions. You can collect all parameters in a single value. In the second place, I have used in while destructuring array or object. If you want to take some properties of object and you don't want to no assign any variable name for others properties, you can just use three dot and you can keep one name. So JavaScript will collect all others properties in this REST operator. So this is what I wanted to bring in this video. So in next video I will try to explain what is garbage collection in JavaScript. So this is it in this video. Thank you.